Jai Shri Gurudev. Dear students, in the previous class, you have studied about similarity of criteria of a triangles. We studied in the previous class two criteria says angle criteria of similarity of triangle and side criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay. In this class, you can study SAS side criteria for similarity of triangle. The statement is like this: if in two triangles, a pair of corresponding sides are proportional, it means suppose ABC and DEF are the triangles, two corresponding sides, it means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. A pair of corresponding sides are proportional and the included angles are equal. It means AB and AC are the corresponding sides. Included angle A. In this triangle, DE and DF are the corresponding sides and D is the corresponding angle. When in two triangles, a pair of corresponding sides are proportional and included angles are equal, then they are similar. Okay. First we write what are given. What are given? Yes. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AC by DF and angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. Okay. Then what we prove that? Yes, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. These are our proving part. Then we go to the construction. What we construct? Let us consider P and Q are points on the side DE and DF respectively, and such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Finally join PQ. Construction. Let P and Q be points on DE and DF such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. This is our construction. Okay. Then we go to the proof. In triangle ABC and DPQ, ABC and triangle DPQ. We can see that AB is equal to BP and AC is equal to DQ by construction, and angle A is equal to angle D. It is given. AB is equal to DP, angle A, it is by construction, then angle A is equal to angle D, given, and AC is equal to DQ. AC is equal to DQ. It is also by construction. We can see that in two triangles, two corresponding sides are equal and included angles are equal. Then according to SAS criteria for congruency, the triangles are congruent to each other. In triangle ABC and DPQ, we can see that AB and AC, DP and DQ are the corresponding sides and equal, and the included angle A is equal to angle D. So which implies triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. Reason is by SAS congruency rule. Okay, now we prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ and consider this result as 1. Okay, then we have AB by DA is equal to AC by DF. It is given part. AB by DA is equal to AC by DF. AB by DA is equal to AC by DF. AC by DF given. Okay, in the place of AB, we can write DP. In the place of AC, we can write DQ, which implies DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. Reason is AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Okay, now we observe DP by D is equal to DQ by DF. DP by DA is equal to DQ by DF. It shows in this triangle a line PQ divides other two sides proportionally. DP by DA, DQ by DF. Which theorem? Yes, corners of Thales theorem, which implies triangle or otherwise, which implies this PQ is parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF. Okay, by converse of Thales theorem. by what? By converse of Thales theorem. Then let us consider in triangle DPQ and DEF. In triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F, because PQ is a parallel line and P and E are corresponding angles, and Q and F are also corresponding angles. Angle P is equal to angle E, angle Q is equal to angle F. They are corresponding angles. They are what? Corresponding angles. And the angle is common for both the angle. By angle criteria of similarity of triangles, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, which implies triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. By which rule? Angle criteria for similarity. Okay, and this result is considered as 2. Then from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, which is the result number 1? Yes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, and result number 2, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. And triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, which implies all the congruent triangle also similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ also. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DPQ, and this triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Both triangle ABC and DEF are similar to triangle DPQ. Obviously, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, which implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is our proving part. Okay, hence proved. In this way, we can achieve or prove the criteria for similarity of a triangle. From the last 3 class, we can study about criteria for similarity of triangles. They are First one is angle criteria for similarity of triangle. Second one is side similarity criteria for similarity of triangle. And third one is side criteria for similarity of triangle. These are the important three theorem for criteria for similarity. In the next class, we can solve some problem related to this criteria for similarity of triangle. Okay, thank you.